Historically, stopping a cyber breach meant relying on known virus signatures, post-attack software patching, and critically slow human reaction times. But according to CrowdStrike's August 2026 threat hunting report, those days are over. Artificial intelligence is actively embedded in how modern adversaries operate today. Attackers are currently weaponizing AI to write malicious code, execute operations at extreme speeds, and pinpoint targets with brutal accuracy. Human speed defense is officially obsolete today. Success in this landscape requires outrunning an AI-powered attacker that operates with sheer machine velocity. So, how do you neutralize a threat that processes and executes its attacks at machine speed? CrowdStrike, an early pioneer of cloud-native cybersecurity, is directing its entire long-term strategy to solve this exact speed equation. Waiting for a human analyst to review a daily security queue guarantees a breach. Survival now requires instantaneous, completely autonomous processing. To achieve that speed, CrowdStrike announced a strategic partnership with hardware manufacturer Cerebras Systems in August 2026. This visualization maps the timeline of a modern attack. Running Falcon AI detection and response on Cerebras' inference hardware lets CrowdStrike intercept threats in milliseconds, neutralizing them before breaching the core. In return, Cerebras standardizes its own corporate security on the Falcon platform. In this escalating arms race, pure hardware inference speed is the deciding factor. It dictates whether an AI actually stops an attack, or just writes the post-mortem report detailing what was stolen. To match that hardware upgrade, CrowdStrike unveiled the Falcon platform's Spring 26 release at the RSA conference. The standout feature is Agentic MDR, managed detection and response powered by intelligent agents that hunt and kill threats at machine speed, completely removing the human bottleneck. They also introduced Falcon ID, a specialized tool designed to detect and block highly sophisticated AI-generated phishing and identity theft attempts. A massive feature list means very little if the software still waits for human permission. True security requires the platform to operate autonomously, matching the attacker's velocity. Small and medium-sized businesses are primary targets, serving as the vulnerable backbone of the global economic supply chain. To close that gap, CrowdStrike expanded Project QuiltWorks. Through major channel partners, they are now pushing frontier AI protection and expert remediation directly to smaller organizations. Simultaneously, they acquired the intellectual property of XM Cyber and partnered with Schwartz Digits, moving rapidly to secure European markets under strict new compliance frameworks. Locking down the world's largest corporations is entirely ineffective if the foundational economic supply chain remains an open backdoor for AI-driven breaches. Wall Street has been keeping a very close scorecard on this new defensive strategy. This chart tracks CrowdStrike's annual recurring revenue. As you can see, in fiscal year 2026, they generated $4.81 billion in total revenue and aggressively broke through the $5 billion ARR threshold, marking a 24% year-over-year growth rate. The financial victories cascaded from there. The company turned GAAP profitable for the first time, hit $1.69 billion in flexible consumption ARR, and executed a 4-for-1 stock split. Analysts took notice. RBC Capital raised its price target to $256, and the stock currently trades at a premium 174 times forward earnings multiple. Investors are willing to pay that premium because they believe CrowdStrike is successfully capturing the entire cybersecurity sector. CrowdStrike provides the foundational security layer for the global AI economy, securing the infrastructure where frontier models are built and deployed. Their long-term trajectory is aggressive, with leadership explicitly targeting $20 billion in ending ARR by fiscal year 2036. As Chief Business Officer Daniel Bernard put it, "If you want to build AI, you need the fastest compute. If you want to secure AI, you need CrowdStrike." While the world obsesses over building the best AI, the market realizes the shield is just as valuable as the sword.